Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna unbox a Tiffany Co piece which I just got. There's the box. So all the gold and platinum pieces comes with the black velvet box, and yeah. So let's open up. So here it is. Just so beautiful. It's the rose gold returns Tiffany heart tag with diamonds around the heart. It's in the small size. It looks like it's white gold, but it's not. It's actually the rose gold one. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out of the box for you guys to show you. My camera doesn't focus, so here we go. It's the rose gold one, and I believe it's on the 18-inch chain. So I'm gonna take it out. So it's the longer chain, well, the 18-inch chain. Oh, it doesn't focus. Yeah. So this is me wearing the necklace together with my Also Peretti Diamonds by the Yard necklace. I think it looks really great together. Yeah. That was my unboxing, and I hope you guys liked this. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye guys.